How to secure my Twitter account in 2021? If this is the question that has been wandering in your head, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to enable two-factor authentication on Twitter, which is basically going to add another privacy or another, another security layer to your Twitter account. Whenever someone tries to go ahead and sign in or someone tries to hack your Twitter account, it's basically going to send you a prompt. The way you go ahead and do that is click on this particular hamburger menu and click on settings and privacy. Then go ahead on your account and click on the security button over here. Once you click on the security button, you will be over here, the two-factor authentication. Now there are three options you go ahead. Via three options, Twitter allows you to go ahead and enable your two-factor authentication on Twitter Android app. So the first one is basically the text message. You can go ahead and set it up through your mobile number and click on that particular thing, get started. It's going to ask you to go ahead and put your password. Alright, now once you go ahead and add your password, it's going to ask your mobile number and it's going to give you the country code. I already have the country code which is entered. I'm going to go ahead and enter my mobile number here. Alright, another thing, this particular option which has been enabled over here, let people who have your phone number find and connect with you on Twitter. Based on the privacy that you want on your Twitter account, you can go ahead and select this option or deselect this option. You can enable it or whatever, disable it. I am going to disable it because I don't want people to find me on Twitter through my mobile number. It's basically, I just don't like that way people, finding me on Twitter. So I'm going to disable this one and I'm going to enter the mobile number. Once you click on this particular, the confirmation thing, and once you share the mobile number, Twitter is going to send you a particular code on your mobile number. I'm waiting for that code. I'm going to enter it, 823619, and click on next. Now this is one, and it's going to give you a particular one-time password. So basically now, as you can see, the text, the two-factor authentication is enabled for the mobile number. That's how you do it for the mobile number. Coming to the authentication app, so in case if you have a Google Authenticator app or Authy or probably Adobe Authenticator, you can go ahead and download these authentication applications from your Android or iOS stores. And I'm gonna go ahead and set it up. I don't know which app it's allowing for me. I have a couple of them, so it doesn't matter that way. Just click on the authentication app, just click on start. And again, you have to go ahead and verify yourself with the password. Once you enter the password, it's going to give you it's going to bring you to this particular screen and it's going to ask you to go ahead and link a particular application. So let me just go ahead and do a bit R&D because I've never done this one earlier. And I'm going to click on the link app now button. And when we click on the link app now, it's going to give you these two. So I have Authy and Authenticator. I can choose between which applications I want this particular two-factor authentication for Twitter or Twitter account security basically to go ahead and get enabled. I'm going to click on the Authy option over here. And it's going to go ahead and load. It's going to give me my Twitter username. So that's something which I'm going to save. And that's it, voila. The two-factor authentication has been started. So whenever now you go ahead and sign in or someone tries to sign in on Twitter, you are gonna get this particular authentication on your Authy app. For me, Authy, you can go ahead and set it up for Google Authenticator as well. And you need to go ahead and put this 6-digit code whenever you are trying to log in. This was the authentication one. And as you see, the authentication application is basically again set for the double or two-factor authentication for Twitter. Well, if you're still wondering how to go ahead and increase the security of my Twitter account, this is the way. I think setting up these two methods is gonna do more than good for you. In case if you want to go ahead and enable the security key as well, just go ahead and it's the same procedure. Just you'll be logged into the twitter.com on your browser and add a security key. If you're already logged in on your account, will automatically log you out of the browser. Actually, to be really honest, I'm not going to go ahead and enable this one on my application because I have never enabled any app or any social network account with a security key, and that is something which is not required. When you do these two methods, or even if you do one method out of it, it's going to be more than sufficient to increase security of your Twitter account. And this was the basic way of going ahead and enabling the two-factor authentication for Twitter. I hope you like this Twitter account security tutorial, and if you like this particular video and if you found this helpful, please go ahead and hit the like button, guys. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I showed this particular video because one of the what do you call parameters to go ahead and be eligible for the Twitter ticketed spaces is going to be you should have a two-factor authentication enabled on your Twitter account. So if you haven't actually checked out my Twitter ticketed spaces video as well, you need to go ahead and check it out. You will understand what exactly I'm talking about and how Twitter is going to allow you to go ahead and monetize your content on Twitter. So that's about it. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll be back with another one. Take care.